Hello friends, you're welcome once again to our channel. And how you guys doing? Alright, so in today's video guys, we're going to dive into Ethereum and give you a Ethereum full analysis on what to look out for, okay, and what Ethereum is doing right now and how you need to pay very good attention to what the market is doing, guys. Alright, so before we dive into the chart, please kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. Alright, so kindly share with your friends and let's dive into the chart. Okay, so before I show you what Ethereum is doing, I think this Ethereum chart, it is very, very important for me to also make reference of Bitcoin and what the video we uploaded 2 days ago and show you. So let's take a look at Bitcoin and before we can start Ethereum. All right, so now let's look at it, guys. I think we made mention of something very, very powerful a few days ago. So let me show you guys. If in case you've not watched that, you can go and watch the video before now, what we said concerning this channel, guys. All right, so this is 4 hours. Let me set it clear. So we were expecting, as I made it clear in that video, we were expecting that was somewhere here. Okay, we were expecting the wave, this triangular to complete here. Okay, so we are kind of here that time. So I was thinking it's going to reverse from here, but all we're expecting is a sell-off. And I made mention of that you guys should watch out for fake outs, because this what happened here, it was fake outs. This thing actually costs a lot of guys to lose a lot of money. Okay, because I know most times when there is this kind of contracting symmetrical triangle, that it can break on the other side and then reverse to the positive side that actually wanted to break. So now many guys that saw this thing breaking out from here actually got their order filled, and if they were not fast about it, you can see now the market is reversing. So looking at this triangle in relation to what has happened in the past, we are expecting one more drop. Okay, we're expecting one more drop. You can see now it's clearly showing us one more drop. So let's watch it critical and see how the market is developing. So it's following as expected. So our target on this will like 22,296. All right, 22,296. That's what we're expecting Bitcoin to retest. Then after that, then we'll be seeing a very massive pullback. Okay, so that is just on Bitcoin, guys. All right, so in case you are not in the trade, just wait for the pullback, because there will be a pullback along the line, and that will take us to where we are going. All right, so let's dive into the Ethereum, as this video is specifically for Ethereum chart, guys. All right, so now there's something that you guys need to pay very good attention on Ethereum, guys. Now if you take a look from daily, let's take it from daily and down we go. Let's take it from daily. There's something that you need to pay very good attention, and that is that whenever a market starts retracement with 5 impulse sharp wave, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is a 5-wave structure that the market started. Then we'll always expect a correction, deep correction. Okay, so the market will definitely give us a correction for many guys that did not sell when this happened, so that they can sell off, so we can complete this wave and start coming like this. So in a nutshell, this is what we're expecting Ethereum to do, guys. All right, this is what we're expecting Ethereum to do. Remember, the bull market is not over. Okay, but this will be a very big correction, guys. It's a very big correction on the past, the move that we have seen so far. It should be a very big correction. It might take like this is daily. It might take like 3-4 months before this correction will be over. But be rest assured that this is a correction going on now. So let's dive into this correction and see how we can take something out of what the market is already saying. All right, so let's go to 4 hours. Now when you go to 4 hours now, you can see that the market, as I showed you earlier, let me bring out this, some of the analysis we did. This was already a completion of its own. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are smaller waves. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, guys. Okay, so now this 5 actually broke the low here. So now we're having a very sharp impulse, but now it was 3 waves up. So what does it tell you? We'll be expecting another 3 wave down. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This B. So we're expecting one more down here, okay, to complete this A, B, C. Okay, we're expecting one more down to complete this A, B, C. Then after which we are going for this, okay, and that to complete this, this, and this. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, so don't mind my drawing. It might be a little bit rough, but actually that is most time how wave theory works. Okay, that's how wave theory works. Now what I said in a nutshell is this. Let's say, let me draw this with different color. Okay, so the smaller wave, the pullback wave will be this. Okay, that is to correct this move. Okay, we have this going up, but inside this one we have a smaller wave, kind of. So it will be 1, 2, 3. We're expecting these 3 to complete first. Okay, so we're not maybe we might not, this next sell-off might not really break this low. Okay, it might not really break this low, the previous low. So after which we'll now have the completion of this. So making all this to be what? B wave. Making all this to be B wave here. So we have a bigger B wave here to get to the C wave that will be somewhere here. Okay, so that is what we're expecting. Now, must it play out this way, like 1, 2, 3? No, there are different varieties in which this can happen. So we're expecting kind of a regular flat. It might decide, because why? Because this one have retraced like 90% of the A wave. The B wave have just retraced 90% plus of A wave. So that's what we're expecting. So immediately it closes below this small A here. So you're expecting a pullback. Okay. So when Ethereum will be doing this sell-off, that is when Bitcoin will be doing that massive closing below last all-time the previous low. Okay, so within the week, I think from now till next week, there will be this sell-off here. So we're expecting this sell-off to complete before we start having this it will be a completion of 3 wave here, and this one will be a completion of 1, 2, 3, guys. Okay, so after which there might be one more drop then before we now go to the all-time high, guys. All right, so it might really be a bit complex, but don't mind the analysis. Just all you got to mind here, just mind yourself. Okay, people that mind themselves and mind the market always do the best. All right, if you want to be a profitable trader or investor, first of all, you need to mind yourself. You need to understand who you are, and that's minding yourself. Then you need to mind the market too. Pay attention what the market is doing. Don't just jump in based on what you think. Okay, just pay attention to what the market is doing, and that is how you'll be profitable, guys. And that's the reason why we are doing this video, for us to be profitable and also for us to remain in the market for a long time. Okay, for us to remain in the market for a long time. All right, so now so if you go to 1 hour, so let's see if you have a potential trade setup. Okay, we have a potential trade setup. So what you might be seeing here in 1 hour might be a trade setup for you guys for this. Okay, so in case you're interested in trading this sell-off, so you might see kind of a 3 wave up here, then that is for you to take this trade downwards. Okay, so if you see a correction here, then that is for you to take this trade downwards here. Okay, just be mindful that once it closes up below this, you should be thinking of taking your profits, because markets might easily reverse once it closes this button here. All right, so that is just for you guys, and I believe you guys have enjoyed this video, or you like this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel and kindly give us a thumb up. If you have any question, any comments, or any stuff you want us to help you look, any charts you want us to help you analyze, kindly let us know. I'll be glad to help you. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.